Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Rodrigo, and today I'm here to talk about ProNail Complex, an innovative and natural solution to restore nail health and fight fungus effectively. If you've tried everything to get rid of nail issues and nothing has worked, stick around until the end, because I have some important information you need to know before considering this product. So, what is ProNail Complex? It's a natural spray formulated with ingredients like almond oil, tea tree oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera. These ingredients deeply address the root of the issue, treating not only the nail, but also the surrounding skin where fungus can develop. Using it is simple. Just apply the spray daily to the affected areas. For best results, follow the full treatment for 3 to 6 months. And if you want an extra boost, ProNail Complex also offers a vitamin and mineral capsule to speed up the treatment. One key point: ProNail Complex is only available on its official website. I've left the link in the description, so you can check out the official site for more details. And one last thing, if you try the product and aren't satisfied, ProNail Complex offers a money-back guarantee. So you really have nothing to lose by giving it a shot. That's it, everyone. I hope this video helps you make an informed decision about ProNail Complex. To learn more, click the link in the description and check out the official website. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.